So this person's asking, hey, if I'm giving away 20, 100 credits, whatever that looks like, right? How do I actually implement this and get it set up? So in our world, we create packages in White Label Suite. And what a package does is it tells our system, hey, when somebody subscribes to this, you're going to give them this kind of access, this many credits, these options, and everything like that, right? So I've created an example here for the Tollbooth account, is what I'm calling it. Given them 20 credits. And what I mean by free is I'm not going to put a paywall on this. So I'm not going to make them go through an order form or anything like that. I would use just a regular old form that says, hey, sign up for 20 free credits to use my software. They get 20 credits. I'm going to give them access to the platform for a year. Now, you could do this for 30 days. You could do it for however long you wanted to. But for this example here, I'll just show you what a year looks like. I say, okay, cool. You're going to get that for a year. Um, that's what I want that set up for. And then when I subscribe somebody to this, and obviously with a form, if you're using HighLevel, you can automate the form to create this account. I'll show you how to do this manually while we're here. I'm going to say, all right, sweet. Add this person in here and, give them access to the platform. I don't think I've got this one in there already. And they're going to be on the Tollbooth account, and it's going to expire in 2025 for this example. Let's see if that works. Okay, cool. So now when I log in as this person, I can see they've only got 20 credits. Now they have access to the platform for a year, right? But once they use these 20 credits, that's not going to start over until next year if you want to do that, or next month or next quarter or however long you set this, right? Now, what they'd have to do, and this is where the toll comes in, because they can log in, they can see where they want to go, but they got to pay the toll, right? So they're going to go into their credit wallet, they're going to add a card, and then they're just going to purchase the amount of credits that they want to use your software. So that's what the toll booth method looks like. I give somebody access to the platform for a certain amount of time. I give them X amount of credits to use it. And after that, they need to pay the toll to keep using the software. Because if these credits run out and I go to do a search, it's going to tell me that I'm out of credits, right? So that's where the toll booth method comes in. They've got access to the platform, but once they use the credits that you've given them for that period of time, they'll have to add their card and purchase more. So to answer your question, that is how you do the unthinkable.